Hello, this is Westgate Property Management, and I am outside of 27 Valen Way in Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 2-bedroom, 2-bath home in just a moment, but I want to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This property is located in West Petaluma in the country. There is 2 parking spots right there. Beautiful surrounding hills. It's located in the country just off of Pepper Road. This home features a lot of nice amenities. Beautiful front patio area would be perfect for sitting and enjoying the beautiful countryside. Let's give you a view of that. Just really lovely. So you come in, and immediately to your left is the kitchen with a gas range, double ovens, pretty rare in a 2-bedroom cottage. Gas range, an open floor plan with a living room, granite countertops, lots of storage, overviews the country setting. Here's the hall bathroom with tub and shower, custom cabinet. First bedroom, this faces the back of the home and includes this amazing patio with just an outstanding view. They make a perfect place to have coffee in the morning. Large walk-in closet. Across the hall is another bedroom, and those cabinets can be removed. And another bathroom with tub and shower enclosures. So again, this is 27 Valen Way in Petaluma. Thank you so much for watching.